Hello, my dear students of class 6. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, presenting this video for your effective learning of question and answer from chapter 2, that is the component of food. Dear students, you have already learned about the chapter 2, that is the components of food, different deficiency diseases, and you have did the multiple question answers, match the column and filling the blanks. And now come to the discussion about the short answer questions. Very short answer questions that were done by you, and we will discuss here about the short answer and long answer questions. So let us start short answer questions. Dear students, this short answer questions, like I would like to take some peculiar questions. Question number 1, what is the balanced diet? What is it important for? Why is it important for our health? So balanced diet is the diet in which every component of food have to be in our diet, and like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, water, etc. That is a balanced diet, and it is useful for our body. It is useful for our health because of the maintaining our day-to-day activity, proper growth of our body, and proper functioning of our body organs, so that our health is to be good. So my dear student, you can answer the question like it. You think the answers in Hindi and you have to translate it in English. Very simple. Next, why are protein-rich food useful for our body? Also mention any two of food items rich in protein. Dear student, as far as the answer of this question is concerned, you can answer it like the protein-rich food is useful for our body, for the growth of our body, right from the childhood to the adulthood, so that our body can be mature for every functioning. And because protein-rich food, protein provide the faster formation of the new cells, cell division takes place due to the protein-rich food. And the two food items that are having the protein, and that food is milk, cottage cheese or paneer, meat, egg. These are the protein-rich foods, my dear students. And now come to the question number 3. Write the food items in which the following vitamins and minerals are found. So my dear student, this question I would like to write here. 3. Question number 3. Write the food items in which the following vitamins and minerals are found. Write the food items in which the vitamins and minerals are found. in which the following minerals are found in which the following minerals are found. So my dear student, this is the question, and take the example of potassium, iron, calcium, phosphorus. So the food item that are enriched in the potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and phosphorus, banana, potassium, okay. So the food item like this one, number 1 potassium, potassium, and the food items in which the potassium is found, that is the egg, seafood, and salts and banana. Now come to phosphorus. Phosphorus. So phosphorus this is found in meat, egg, banana, spinach, etc. And iron, third iron. So iron is found in green leaf vegetables, meat, etc. Now next, that is the calcium. That is calcium. So calcium is found in milk, seafood, and some other ingredients like green leafy vegetable, egg, and green vegetable. So my dear students, these are the food items in which these following minerals they are found. So these minerals are very important as far as the body physiology of human is concerned. I now come to these are the short answer type questions, dear student, and you have to do the answer in a proper way. Some other sort of questions are there, like is balanced diet an expensive diet? Give reasons to support your answer. The balanced diet is not very expensive. It has to be managed. It has to be managed. Suppose you can take the starch from the flour or potato, that is the very low cost items. Rice, you can obtain the protein from the pulses, gram, which is having the low cost. So that is not the expensive. Some other questions, my dear students, like Paheli, avoid eating vegetable but like to eat biscuit. एक बच्ची है जो कि वेजिटेबल नहीं खाती है, बिस्किट खाना पसंद करती है. नूडल्स एंड व्हाइट ब्रेड. सी फ्रीक्वेंटली कंप्लेन द स्टमक एक एंड कॉन्स्टिपेशन. व्हाई आर द फूड आइटम्स दैट शी should include in the, what are the food items she should include in the diet to get rid of the problem? Give the reason for your answer. She must include the green leafy vegetables in her food, pulses, because these vegetables are having the roughage, and roughage always do the job of the cleaning the alimentary canal. That is not having any nutrient, but it cleans the alimentary canal, and by cleaning the alimentary canal by roughage, the problem of stomach and constipation, that will be far away from that particular girl. So including the roughage and green vegetables, fibrous food, she can get rid from the stomach and constipation. My dear student, come to the next, that is the long answer question. You have to have the art of the answering long answer question in such a way that your answer will be perfect and your answer will be in minimum length, maximum yield. So let us see the examples. List 4 food which are rich in carbohydrates. अब देखिए एक क्वेश्चन है, लिस्ट 4 foods which are rich in carbohydrates. मैं लिखता हूं क्वेश्चन. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. This is question number 2, and this all are present on the page number 38. Page 38. So question number 2 is list 4 food which are rich in carbohydrate. List 4 food which are rich in carbohydrate. Okay, dear student, you can list like this. Answer. The carbohydrate rich food foods are as follows. Number one, wheat, rice, sugarcane, sugar, गुड़, milk, etc. etc. can be listed as the carbohydrate rich food because it is present in its complex form known as starch. So my dear student, answering this question, you can answer this. Now question number 3, what is anemia? What is anemia? Question number 3, what is anemia? Anemia, A-N-A-E. What is anemia? What are its symptoms? What are its symptoms? Okay, my dear student, anemia is a disease. Anemia is a disease which causes so many symptoms, so many problems in the body. एंड एनीमिया को आप कह सकते हैं कि खून की कमी, रक्त की कमी शरीर में होती है, तो उसको एनीमिया कहते हैं. सो लेट अस एक्सप्लेन दिस आंसर. एनीमिया is a disease. Anemia is a deficiency disease caused by deficiency of iron in the food. Hemoglobin, red blood cells will not be formed due to it, and the symptoms are tiredness, weakness, एनोरेक्सिया एक्सेट्रा। सो एनोरेक्सिया मीन्स भूख कम लगना। दीज आर द सिम्टम, टायर्डनेस, थकान लगेगी, वीकनेस, कमजोरी महसूस होगी, शरीर पीला लगेगा। पेल बॉडी, पेल बॉडी, शरीर जो है वो पीला लगने लगेगा। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दीज आर द different questions that I have already discussed in this video, and I hope that by discussing these questions you are able to solve the question answers if the question is come to you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.